Facebook. It's not just for sharing cat videos anymore. It's a sales powerhouse waiting to be unleashed. In 2024, Facebook offers a massive opportunity. You can skyrocket your sales. Are you ready to win on Facebook? Let's do this. Let's talk solutions. The first step to Facebook success: laser-focused targeting. Gone are the days of throwing spaghetti at the wall and seeing what sticks. Facebook's advanced targeting options allow you to zero in on your ideal customer. Think about it. You can target by age, location, interests, behaviors, and so much more. Imagine putting your message directly in front of people who are already interested in what you have to offer. That's the power of targeted advertising. But it's not just about who you target, it's also about what you say. Video is king on Facebook, period. In today's digital age, video content reigns supreme, especially on social media platforms like Facebook. It's not just a trend, it's a revolution in how we consume information and connect with each other. People are hardwired to connect with visual stories, and Facebook knows it. Our brains process visuals 60,000 times faster than text, making video the perfect medium to capture attention and convey messages effectively. That's why video content gets prioritized in the algorithm. Facebook's algorithm favors video content because it drives higher engagement rates. Videos are more likely to be shared, liked, and commented on, amplifying their reach. So ditch the boring text posts. Static text posts often get lost in the noise. They lack the dynamic appeal that videos offer, making them less effective in capturing audience interest. Create engaging videos that grab attention and showcase your products or services in action. Think about it. A well-crafted video can demonstrate the value of your offerings in a way that text simply can't. Would you rather read a long paragraph about how great a new coffee maker is? Long text posts can be tedious and time-consuming, often leading to disengagement. Or would you rather watch a short, snappy video of someone brewing a delicious cup? Video wins every time. A quick, visually appealing video can instantly convey the benefits and features of a product, making it more compelling. But the real secret weapon? It's the combination of video and social proof. It's not just any video. It's about creating high-quality, authentic content that resonates with your audience. It's video combined with the power of social proof. When people see others endorsing your product or service, it builds trust and credibility. User-generated content, testimonials, and reviews in video format can significantly boost your brand's reputation and influence purchasing decisions. Section 5, the secret sauce, testimonials and social proof. Here's the deal. People are bombarded with marketing messages every single day. They're skeptical. They've been burned before. So how do you break through the noise and build trust? The answer is social proof. Social proof is the idea that people are more likely to take action when they see others like them doing it. It's the reason why we read reviews before buying a product or check out a restaurant star rating. And on Facebook, testimonials are your social proof goldmine. Section 6, real people, real results. Examples of social proof in action. Social proof is a powerful tool in today's digital age where people are constantly looking for validation and reassurance from others. Testimonials aren't just about singing your own praises, they're about showcasing genuine experiences from real customers who have benefited from your product or service. It's about letting your happy customers do the talking for you. Imagine this scenario. You're considering a new product, but you're unsure if it will meet your needs. You're scrolling through Facebook and you see a video testimonial from someone just like you. This person shares their story, detailing how the product has positively impacted their life. They're raving about how your product solved their problem or made their life easier. Their enthusiasm and satisfaction are contagious, making you more inclined to trust their opinion. Suddenly, you're not just seeing an ad, you're witnessing a genuine endorsement from a real person. You're seeing a real person sharing a real experience. This authenticity resonates with you on a deeper level, making the testimonial more impactful. And that, my friends, is powerful. Authentic testimonials can significantly influence potential customers' decisions. But testimonials are just one piece of the puzzle. There are many other ways to build social proof. You can also leverage user-generated content, influencer partnerships, and social media shout-outs. These methods allow you to tap into the trust and credibility that influencers and everyday users have built with their audiences. Additionally, employee advocacy can be a game changer. When your own team members share their positive experiences and promote your brand on social media, it adds another layer of authenticity and trust. By combining these strategies, you can create a robust social proof framework that enhances your brand's credibility and attracts more customers. Section 7, your tribe awaits. Leveraging Facebook groups. Facebook groups are more than just online communities. They're gold mines for social proof and engagement. Think about it. People join groups to connect with others who share their interests and passions. They're actively looking for recommendations and advice. This creates a unique opportunity for you to establish yourself as an authority in your niche, share valuable content, answer questions, and most importantly, encourage your happy customers to share their positive experiences within these groups. Word of mouth marketing is powerful, and in the world of Facebook, groups are where it's at. Section 8, recap. Your Facebook sales blueprint for 2024. Let's recap. We've covered a lot of ground today. You've learned about the challenges businesses face on Facebook targeting, engagement, and algorithm changes. And more importantly, you've discovered the solutions: laser-focused targeting, compelling video content, and the secret weapon of social proof. Remember, people buy from people. Showcase your happy customers. Leverage the power of testimonials and user-generated content, and watch your sales soar. Section 9. Now it's your turn. Share your success story. I want to hear from you. Have you had success using social proof on Facebook? What strategies have worked best for your business? Share your experiences in the comments below. Let's keep this conversation going, and stay tuned. Next time we'll dive into another powerful strategy to dominate the digital marketplace. Until then, keep crushing it.